Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Bling It Fridays. If you didn't know, I'm gonna be bringing you guys weekly jewelry making videos every Friday. I don't really have a time because everything's always crazy, so but it will be every Friday. I will bring a jewelry tutorial. So here I made a bracelet. So I know everybody doesn't have these, so I'm going to show you how to make this with chain. And I use an eye pin. These are cat's eye beads, seed beads, and some gold spacer beads. So that turned out really cute. So what I have here is 5.5 inches of a chain, which you can get on, I mean, you can get it pretty much anywhere. I just can't remember where I got this one. One eye pin, two 8mm rhinestone spacers, four 8mm glass beads, and three 4mm daisy spacers, which some of this, the clasp, you can find in my store, the glass beads and the daisy spacers, and eye pins. And let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is take your eye pin. You're gonna add your beads and spacer beads. Okay, so this is the order that I put it in. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut about this much off. This is how much I'm gonna leave in there. I'm gonna make a loop. So I try to make the same size loop. If you have trouble doing that, you can always mark your tool to make the same size loop. So okay, so here's my loop. I'm going to leave it a little open, that way I can put the chain in there. I have to open it a little more, right there. See that? Okay, so I'm going to close here, and then I'm going to completely close the loop. There, just like that. And then I'm going to do that to the other side. Now I should have cut the, the exact length on both sides, but I'll do that after I adjoin these two. Okay. Just like that. Don't get frustrated if you have a hard time doing this. Sometimes it can be very frustrating. If you need to walk away from it and come back, do that, because but don't give up on it, because look how cute it looks. So I'm just gonna eye it and cut off what I think is the center. So looking at it from here, I think this is the center, this piece right here. Yeah. Now I'm going to add, I forgot my jump rings. So I'm going to get a jump ring. Okay, so I have these like super teeny tiny jump rings that I don't use very often, because for like chunky charms and like Other projects that I consider are for paper crafts or like heavier projects. I didn't like them, but I find that when you're making jewelry, these are like 2 or 3 millimeter jump rings. You need them because, for example, this chain here, it has a really small hole, so you need like something that fits in there. So I'm just gonna use these jump rings here, and so I've already added my heart to the jump ring, and now I'm going to add it to the chain. Close this up here. Okay. That's one side. How cute, right? And then I'm going to do the other side. Grab my chain. Okay, that's it. Super cute, super easy, very beginner friendly. If you make your own, please share with me so I can see how, you know, see your creations. And thank you so much for watching.